In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh a page in Chrome 2025, easy. If you're monitoring a live dashboard, waiting for updates on a product page, or testing changes while developing, setting a page to refresh automatically can save you a lot of clicks and keep your information current. We'll do this using a trusted browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. Start by heading to the Chrome Web Store and use the search bar to look up an auto-refresh tool. Two popular options are Auto Refresh Plus and Tab Auto Refresh. You'll see multiple results, so take a quick moment to check ratings and recent reviews to make sure the extension is actively maintained and compatible with the latest version of Chrome. Once you've picked the one you want, click Add to Chrome. A small prompt will appear describing the permissions it needs. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it automatically. After installation, you should see a new icon for the extension in your toolbar near the top right of the browser. That icon is what you'll use to control the refresh behavior for any tab. Click the extension's icon to open its pop-up. This is where you set how frequently the page should refresh. You'll see a field for the interval in seconds. Type the number of seconds you want between refreshes. For example, enter 5 to refresh every 5 seconds. Or choose something more relaxed like 30 or 60 if the site is heavier or you just need periodic updates. Keep in mind that very short intervals can increase data usage and may trigger extra load on the site, so choose a timing that fits your needs without being overly aggressive. After entering your interval, click the Start button. The extension will begin refreshing the current tab automatically at the schedule you set. You can continue browsing in other tabs while it runs. If the page has forms or unsaved text, be careful. An auto-refresh will reload the page and you could lose unsaved changes. It's best to start auto-refresh on pages that display information rather than ones where you're entering it. When you're done, stopping auto-refresh is just as simple. Click the extension's icon again and choose Stop, or set the interval to 0 if the extension offers that option. The tab will return to normal, and you'll be back in control of manual refreshes. That's all you need to keep a page up to date automatically in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with smarter refreshing.